So I'm getting ready for my first ever backpacking trip. Starting out with my pack. Got the Mystery Ranch pack right there. Also got a sleeping bag. I've got a camping chair. Got a tent as well as a sleeping pad right there. And here I've got my water filtration system. I've got one set of clothes, a second set of clothes, a jacket, and a set of thermals. Got a battery bank for my phone, another battery bank to be able to charge other devices. This is a headlamp right here. It's pretty bright. It also doubles as a third battery bank. I've got my electrolyte packets, branch chain amino acids, glutamine, creatine, BCA mix, and then 3 packets of coffee. Of course, we need ibuprofen, spoons, forks, knives. That's just a combination right there. And we're gonna be out there for several nights. So according to the caloric intake that I'm gonna need, these are the meals that I'm gonna have. They're all freeze dried. Got a knife, a couple of carabiners, dude wipes, which really just double as a shower or just cleaning up whatever. I've got a total of 2 additional hand flashlights. I've got bug spray, paracord, chapstick. Got some nicotine pouches, very important stuff right there. A lighter, moleskin padding also, as well as some different bandaging supplies. Got a water jug and machete, 2 jet boil fuel cells. And then I've got my jet boil container. On the inside of the jet boil container is also the coffee press, French press deal for me to be able to make coffee in the morning. Also got these water shoes as well. We'll see if I'm packing enough, too much, or too little. This is going to be something that we're going to be starting to get into, and we'll see how it works out.